Hi, I'm Matthew from the housing office, and today I'm going to show you what to look out for when cleaning. Have you ever found this weird pinkish color in your sink or in the corners of your shower? Well, that is mildew, and it can get worse if you don't clean it. So what you want to do is find a bathroom cleaner that is not abrasive, have bleach or ammonia, and instead you can make your own cleaner that has hydrogen peroxide and water or vinegar and water, and voila, you have your own cleaner. Spray the product onto the mildew and rinse afterwards. Remember to clean at least once a week or this pink mildew can turn into black gunk. And now your bathroom is squeaky clean. Achoo! Oh, it's dusty in here. I better dust that quickly. I better vacuum so I can keep little creatures away. Now I always make sure I vacuum the corners of the dining area and under the chairs to get all the crumbs, plus the corners of the rooms as well, so no spideys can come in. Remember to always put your food away and clean regularly.